Hey there, fellow space enthusiasts and eclipse chasers. I'm super excited to dive into the upcoming total solar eclipse on August 12, 2026. This event is shaping up to be a truly epic celestial spectacle, and I can't wait to share my thoughts and insights with you. So, what's so special about this eclipse? Well, for starters, it's Europe's first total solar eclipse since 1999. That's a long time to wait for such a rare and breathtaking phenomenon. The moon's shadow will sweep across Greenland, Iceland, northern Spain, and the Balearic Islands, creating a path of totality where day will turn to twilight for a few fleeting minutes. But here's the thing, this eclipse isn't just about the path of totality. Millions more skywatchers across Europe, and even parts of northeastern United States and eastern Canada, will get to witness a partial solar eclipse. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, everyone gets a front row seat to this cosmic show. Now, let me tell you about our incredible team of skywatching experts who will be bringing you live updates from the heart of the action. Daisy Dobrijevic, our skywatching editor, is currently sailing aboard the MS Spitsbergen, exploring Greenland's stunning coast. She's hoping for better luck this time around, after her last eclipse experience didn't quite live up to expectations. Meanwhile, our skywatching writer Anthony Wood is joining the DB initiative in Valoria la Buena, Spain. He'll be attempting to witness totality as the eclipsed sun hangs low above the western horizon, just before sunset. It's Anthony's first ever total solar eclipse, so you can bet he's feeling the excitement and anticipation. But what exactly happens during a total solar eclipse? Well, my friends, it's a multi-stage celestial drama. From the moment the moon takes its first bite out of the sun, known as first contact, to the dramatic diamond ring effect, and finally, the unveiling of the sun's elusive corona, each stage offers a unique and awe-inspiring experience. And don't worry, we've got you covered with some essential eclipse viewing tips. If you're planning to look at any part of the partial eclipse, proper eye protection is a must. Eclipse glasses are your best bet, but if you don't have any, there are simple projection methods you can use with everyday household objects. Now, one of the biggest concerns before any eclipse is the weather. Will the clouds ruin the show? Well, not necessarily. Even under thin clouds, you can still witness many of the most dramatic effects of totality. So, don't let a little cloud cover dampen your eclipse enthusiasm. Speaking of visibility, not everyone will experience totality on August 12th. Some places will see the moon completely cover the sun, while others will only get a partial eclipse, and some might miss out entirely. But don't worry, you can find out exactly what you'll see from your location by checking out our guide on eclipse visibility. And if you're planning to travel for the eclipse, make sure you get your hands on some quality eclipse glasses. Look for a reputable dealer and check for the ISO 123-12-2 certification. It's crucial to protect your eyes during this event. So, as we count down the days until the total solar eclipse of 2026, I hope you're feeling as excited as I am. This is going to be a once-in-a-lifetime experience for many of us, and I can't wait to share the journey with you. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as we get closer to this incredible celestial event. Until next time, keep looking up and dreaming big. End of script.